we are going to put a light bulb in a microwave without water because we did it with water and not a water. It boiled within exactly 2 minutes.
See a little steam coming off there still.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long are we going to put it in for?
3 minutes. Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa! This is scary. Oh no! My butt's tingling. Uh-oh, here it goes.
Oh! 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 Whoa!
Oh! Can we take it out now?
Take it out! Take it out!
Whoa! Okay, watch out for the glass, cause it's like all over. It blew up.
Oh.
Holy! It's on fire! It's on fire! It's on fire! 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 Fire!
It's okay. We got water right there, so we're all right.
This is wet, so. Crap! Oh!